Hello viewers, hi, this is Shantarik, and in this video tutorial I can tell you about do while loop. And here we can start. First of all, you can first of all I can tell you about do while loops too. Here you can see this. There is do, and here is your while in ending point, and this is your conditional part. In my previous tutorial, it is same like while loop and do while loop. They all loops work like same. They want to looping. They just are loops. They print, rotate, and print your thing. You can write in this. You can write in these tags brackets. So first of all, here you can do while loop is just a little bit different from for loop. For loop, not a for loop, but a little bit different from while loop, because the for loop is best loop, and you can for loop use for loop as do while loop as while loop, but you do not use do and do while loop. You do not use while and do while loop as for loop. Uh, so I can recommend you to use mostly time of do while loop, but for loop, but do while loop is good for some purpose. So here you can see this. I can display see out. It is printed. It is printed, or it is display. It is this. You can say that why it is display. Uh, that I can condition up here false. Uh, I can give a condition of false, but this is I write a message. This is display. Why it is display? You can see that. I can tell you it few seconds later. Control Shift B to debug and run. Here you can see this. It is display. Then you can say that why it is display. Because I can give a condition false, but it can display. Read that reason is this, that do while loop print one time, do while loop print at least one time. You give a condition false, you do not your condition is false, but it print one time, mostly one time. And you can check something in while loop. Again same example, int I equals to 0. I give same example of while, do while, or for loop because of you understand easily. Int oh, I is not equals to not equals to 0, and here you can display message. A do while loop is mostly used for menu purpose. You can see there, press 1 to this, again, and copy this, control V, control V, control V. You can also use a character. You can also use a character value. You can also use a float value. You can also use a string value. It's up to you. You can what you want to do. Press 0 to exit. Basically, programming is think that what do you want? What do you want to create? What do you want to do? It's up to you. There's no restriction. There's no restriction for using this, and you do anything you want. You use for loop up here. You can use for while loop. If you want to condition up here, you can give a condition. If you want to switch condition up here, you go to switch a condition up here. You want to break up here, you do not print this, you can say it break, break up here. uh, this is a lot of things you want to learn, and you do. So up here we can also give Ctrl V and CNI, and I can check that what it does. So Ctrl Shift B to debug, and Control F5 for run. Here you can see this, press 1 to this, press 1 to this, and oh sorry, this message is like enter your choice and F5 for run, and here is debug message. Here you can enter your choice. If you give 1, they print again. If you give 2, this they print again. If you want, if you give 0, then this. Hope you like this. Keep watching. Have a nice day.